Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off trending posts on your notification settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click manage notifications, and here you will find trending posts. Just click on it like this and it will turn it on, and if you want to turn it off just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.